Have you ever wondered how money could work differently, more directly, more globally, and powered by everyday people? Imagine a world where your daily transactions aren't just about spending, but about participating in a new kind of economy, one that's open to everyone, everywhere, and built on trust within a global community. In Hyderabad, India, New Expert Dry Cleaning is offering a glimpse into that future by accepting Pi Network, a new digital currency for their services. This small business is pioneering a movement, showing how digital money can be woven into the fabric of everyday life, even in places you might not expect. For years, cryptocurrencies were seen as complicated assets for techies and traders. The world of crypto felt distant, filled with jargon and risk, and out of reach for most people just trying to get by. But now you can use them for something as simple as dry cleaning. Everyday errands are being transformed, making digital currency practical and accessible. This is about real-world utility, using digital coins you helped create to pay for everyday tasks. It's not just about investment or speculation. It's about making your daily life easier and more connected. Imagine walking into a shop with just your smartphone, paying securely with Pi coins you've earned as part of a global community. No need for cash or cards, just a simple scan, and you're done. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, connecting a local business to a network of over 47 million people. Each transaction is a step toward a more inclusive and borderless financial world. It's a powerful example of how decentralized technology can bridge gaps and create new economic relationships. People from different backgrounds and countries are now able to interact and trade value directly, without barriers. This isn't just about clean clothes. It's about a clean break from old ideas of value and exchange. It's about reimagining what's possible when technology and community come together. A simple chore becomes part of a worldwide financial revolution, one laundry load at a time. Every payment is a small act of innovation, helping to shape the future of money. And it all starts with understanding what Pi Network really is. Let's dive in and see how this new digital currency is changing lives, one transaction at a time. So, what is Pi Network? It's a new kind of cryptocurrency and digital platform created by Stanford PhDs to make crypto accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires expensive computers and lots of energy, Pi lets anyone mine coins from their smartphone just by tapping a button once a day. This mobile-first approach rewards real engaged people, not just those with powerful machines. Pi enforces one account per person, ensuring fairness and wide distribution. The goal? Build a decentralized economy where value is held by the many, not the few. Pi isn't just another coin to trade. It's a platform for building decentralized apps and services powered by the community. Imagine a marketplace or social platform where Pi is the currency you helped create. It's an ambitious project aiming to make the internet and money more equitable and user-driven. That's the vision behind Pi Network. New Expert Dry Cleaning's move to accept Pi is a perfect example of decentralized finance, or DeFi. It's not just a tech upgrade, it's a shift in how everyday transactions can work, right in your neighborhood. Traditionally, banks and credit card companies act as middlemen, slowing things down and charging fees. These institutions have long controlled the flow of money, adding extra steps and costs to even the simplest purchases. DeFi flips this model, using blockchain to enable direct peer-to-peer transactions. With blockchain, trust is built into the system, so you don't have to rely on a third party to move your money. When you pay with Pi, the money goes straight from your digital wallet to the business. No bank, no delays, no extra fees. It's as simple as scanning a QR code and confirming the payment, making the process seamless and instant. This is where cryptocurrency's real-world value shines. You can actually use it for goods and services, not just speculation. It's about making digital currency practical and useful in your daily life, from picking up your laundry to buying a coffee. Every transaction strengthens the network and builds a circular economy where Pi is earned, spent, and recirculated. The more people use it, the more valuable and resilient the system becomes for everyone. New Expert Dry Cleaning's adoption is a foundational step in this new financial world. It's a signal to other businesses that embracing crypto can open new opportunities and attract forward-thinking customers. It proves crypto can empower local businesses and customers alike, giving both sides more control and flexibility over their money. By cutting out intermediaries, transactions become faster, cheaper, and more empowering for everyone involved. This means more savings for customers and higher profits for small businesses. That's the promise of DeFi in action. And it's happening today, right in your community, putting financial power back where it belongs, in your pocket. Pi Network revolutionizes mining by making it democratic and sustainable. Instead of energy-hungry computers, Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, letting users mine coins on their phones without draining batteries. Pioneers secure the network by checking in daily, proving they're real people. This engagement, not computing power, earns new Pi coins. To keep things fair, Pi uses a robust Know Your Customer (KYC) process, verifying each user's identity. This ensures the network is made up of real, unique individuals, not bots. The result? A high-integrity, people-powered financial system anyone can join. Pi's approach makes crypto accessible and trustworthy for millions. Pi's journey from concept to real-world currency has been carefully planned. For years, Pi operated in an enclosed mainnet, letting users mine and transfer coins within the ecosystem, but not trade them publicly. That changed in February 2025 with the launch of the Open Mainnet, connecting Pi to public blockchains and exchanges. Soon after, Pi was listed on major exchanges like OKX, Gate.io, BitGet, and CoinDCX, giving it real market value and liquidity. The community exploded to over 47 million users worldwide, creating a massive network for commerce and development. These milestones transformed Pi from a simple app into a global cryptocurrency with real use cases, like paying for dry cleaning. It's a testament to the project's patient, community-focused strategy. Pi's growth is now driven by real adoption, not just hype. And the story is just beginning. When PiCoin hit the open market in February 2025, it was a wild ride that captured the attention of both seasoned investors and curious newcomers. The anticipation had been building for months, and when trading finally began, the excitement was palpable across the crypto community. The price soared to $2.10 on day one, then crashed by 71% within 24 hours, a classic crypto roller coaster. Many early holders were caught off guard by the sudden volatility, with some selling in panic, while others saw it as a rare buying opportunity. But after the turbulence, Pi stabilized and began to recover. The market gradually found its footing as traders and investors reassessed the coin's long-term potential, and confidence slowly returned. By June 2025, it hovered around 68s, and today, April 2026, it's trading at about $1.24. This steady climb reflects a maturing market and growing trust in Pi's future prospects. That's a 120% increase from its all-time low, showing resilience and growing confidence. Investors who held on through the chaos have been rewarded, and new participants are joining in as momentum builds. Pi's total supply is capped at 100 billion coins, with about 6.38 billion currently circulating. This limited supply is designed to prevent runaway inflation and support long-term value. This gives Pi a market cap of roughly $8.6 billion, making it a major player in crypto. It now ranks among the top digital assets, drawing attention from institutional investors and retail traders alike. Analysts see selling pressure easing and more buy orders coming in, suggesting optimism for the future. Many believe that as adoption grows, Pi's price could see further upward movement. Price predictions vary wildly, but the real value will come from utility and adoption. The more people use Pi in their daily lives, the stronger its foundation becomes. Every real-world transaction, like at New Expert Dry Cleaning, helps define Pi's future. As more businesses accept Pi and more users transact with it, the coin's journey continues, full of potential and promise. One of Pi Network's smartest innovations is its native KYC system. Instead of outsourcing identity checks, Pi built a community-powered process combining AI and human validators. AI scans and redacts sensitive info from IDs, then verified pioneers from the same region check if the photo and name match. Validators never see private details and earn Pi for their work, creating a self-sustaining loop. This approach makes KYC scalable, affordable, and privacy-focused, verifying millions at no cost to users. It's a real utility for Pi, building trust and security for the entire network. Pi's KYC is a foundation for a legitimate, global Web3 community. Pi Network's massive user base, over 47 million strong, creates huge opportunities for developers and businesses. Its focus on real-world utility and accessibility sets it apart from speculative cryptocurrencies. If even a fraction of users transact regularly, Pi could power a vibrant global economy. But challenges remain: scalability, regulatory uncertainty, and the need for more exchange listings. Price volatility is a reality for all crypto, and Pi is no exception. The market is influenced by global trends, regulations, and even social media hype. Anyone interested in Pi should do their own research and understand the risks. The rewards could be high, but nothing is guaranteed. Pi's journey is still unfolding, and its ultimate impact is yet to be seen. The experiment continues. Back to Hyderabad, a simple dry cleaning transaction with Pi signals a bigger shift in how we think about money. Digital currencies like Pi offer a more decentralized, democratic, and inclusive financial system. By joining Pi, you're not just a consumer, you're a participant in building a new economy. Every tap, every transaction helps secure and grow the network. The future is uncertain, but the conversation has started, and the experiment is underway. Pioneers like New Expert Dry Cleaning show what's possible when digital and physical worlds connect. Pi encourages us to rethink money, value, and who controls it. Whether Pi becomes the global currency or a stepping stone, its impact is already being felt. The future of money is being built today, and you're invited to be part of it.